Howdy folks. Kind of bored with being around home, so I went on the old Face page and marketplace thing and I looked up truck topper, but the problem is adjectives. Somebody decided to start calling these camper tops. It's not, it's just like when you go to buy vacant land. Vacant land is cheap, but if you label it hunting land, it goes up. And that was my problem, is I could not find a topper for like under 500 bucks in decent condition. Now I found this one for 100 bucks. It's not as tall as I'd like it to be, but for 100 bucks, I'm gonna make it work. So now I'm gonna measure all up and turn her into my little camper. Okay, so the plan is on that side I'm gonna build my bed. It's gonna be as tall as the fender, and then the back from there to there I'm just gonna build that so it'll be flat. And over here I would like the cooler to be back there, and then here I'm gonna have it attached to the back too. It's gonna be for the, thank you Grandma for the heater that you and Grandpa used when you camped in the Astro van. I'm gonna use it when I camp in the truck. But anyways, this is gonna be my spot for my, I think I'm gonna have this stove, and then I'm debating on bringing my grill or not, but for sure cooking utensils and whatever else I need. And then there's going to be inside storage in those containers, or not the containers, but under the bed and under the front there. I do have, I believe it was this one and this one. They're leaking, so I gotta, as you can see, so I gotta tighten those up too and put some silicone on there. This window, I gotta do something. I don't want it to be hanging down like this if my head's here when I'm sleeping, so I gotta figure out a way to elevate it like that. I mean, that's all in the details, but now what, I got my idea. Now I'm going to actually measure up everything, write it down, go to the store and pick up what I need. Alright, I got the material I needed. It's in the back. It's $80 worth of lumber that I picked up, and I paid $100 for the cap, so the cap almost paid for itself, keeping all my lumber dry. Perfect. Let's go build it something now. think that's gonna be it for part 1 of the build. Got a lot of cleanup. It's getting about supper time here, but see, it's gonna be my bed, and then I just got the other area up there. I don't know. Just thought of making it like that. The cooler's gonna be there. I'm gonna get a pad so I can like sit here because I can't sit on these without hitting my head on the ceiling. So once I get a seating area there, then I can eat my food with a straight back. I'm thinking I'm gonna put my fishing gear underneath there, and my cooking stuff and clothes. Well, just the cooking stuff. Like my clothes probably could just go into the truck. So yeah, so that's basically the framework, and now it's accessorizing time. Walmart, Cabela's, Amazon. Actually, I'm waiting on Amazon right now. That's gonna be my sleeping pad. Otherwise, yeah, so tune in the next episode to see what else I build. Thanks for watching. See you next time.